Hello everybody, my name is NM Lipsa and this is my Accounting Word of the Day series. Here I'll share short videos on the meaning and definitions of a new accounting term. Welcome to the exciting world of accounting. In this video we'll learn what is accounting and also I'll share some simple examples. Before that, if this is your interest area, please click on the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the future videos. Also, I do suggest click on the bell icon for receiving my future videos in the recommendation list. So, let's dig in. Let us understand the meaning of accounting. Well, accounting is the process of recognizing, measuring, recording, and reporting information about business transactions. Accounting is the information system that measures business activities, processes the information into reports, and communicates the results to decision makers. We can divide accounting into two major fields, that is, financial accounting and managerial accounting. Well, a simple definition of accounting is that it is the process of tracking all the assets, liabilities, expenses, revenue, and equity. Here is an example for you. Suppose I thought to start my own business and named it as gel production. And my major business, specifically from where I think that I'll generate revenue through this business, is marketing and sale of recorded music. So basically there will be like physical CDs, DVDs, or maybe some digital streaming and downloads. So all these are the sources of revenue. For starting my business, what I'll do, I have some savings. I'll use that, I'll invest that in the business, and that I'll say as the capital which is invested in business. And using this money, I will purchase various equipments, furniture, and other assets to run the business. For daily operation of the business, I have to, incur various expenses like paying for utilities, giving salaries, making advertisement expenses, paying, to the singers in form of royalties. All those things I have to do. Even sometimes I have to borrow money from my friends or loan from bank. And for that I have to make payment of interest and repay all the liability, the borrowed money. Well, at the end of the year, I'm very curious to know whether our business made profit or loss. I want to track the performance of business. And this is important because I have to take various decisions. Should I expand the business to another location? Do we have enough money to purchase a new musical equipment or a computer? How do I know if business made enough profit or loss? Do we need more of marketing and advertising activities? Well, the answer to this is accounting. All the economic transactions are recorded, and accounting provides useful information in decision making. Accounting keeps the track of all the assets, liabilities, expenses, revenues, and therefore accounting is the scorekeeping function of what the business is doing. Have an accounting word, term, concept you need help with? Leave it in the comment. I'll cover it for you. Thank you very much for watching this video and all of your support. I look forward to seeing you again in tomorrow's Accounting Word of the Day class. Remember, accounting is the language of business. So if you want to be successful in business, you need to be able to understand, speak, and use this language of business. Have a wonderful day.